Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change username in CoinMarketCap. If you are trying to change your username in CoinMarketCap, then first of all, open the CoinMarketCap application on your device, and once you're inside the main homepage, go to the top right corner and tap on your avatar. From here, tap on your current name at the top, and then you will end up in this page. Click on Edit button at the top right, and then this will open up your profile option. Under Profile, go to Username tab and click on it. Now you can only change your username once every 7 days, so go ahead and erase the current one and write down a new username for yourself. Once done, click on Change Username. Make sure that your username is unique and no one must have taken it. And right after you do that, your new username will be saved. Now you can return back to your profile to see the change. Your new username should now be visible under your avatar. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.